Audio Jungle.
Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you what we've gotten for the baby so far. We really have majority of the stuff. The only thing that I want to get is mittens, but she already has like a bunch of head stuff, you'll see. And then we already have the car seat and a swing, but they're at my grandma's because my dad ordered them and sent them there. So I just have to get those and we're pretty much done. But I'm still pregnant. I'm 34 weeks. I have an appointment coming up and I'll post that too. But yeah, that's what's been going on. But I'm just gonna show you some of the stuff I got. So we got this for snacks or formula or whatever we decide to use. And then this I'm gonna bring to the hospital because when I had my son, I brought pacifiers. I have some other ones somewhere that I'm gonna put in here too. It was just really helpful to already have them. So this is cute. And then we have this, like this is a swaddle and then a matching headband. These are things that I'm thinking I'm gonna bring to the hospital. Some socks to match this outfit. This little onesie, just in case she comes out big. And then like burping cloth is what is in my bag so far. And then this is my diaper bag. It unzips into like a changing table type thing, and it has like all the stuff in here for it. And then it has this compartment with a little padded thing, and then this compartment, bottles, whatever. So this is super cute. And then I wanted a robe instead of using like the hospital gown, so I got this. And then we have the bottles. We have this super cute outfit. So my aunt bought it and she was like, oh, you could take her home in it, but I think it might be too cute for that. So we might use it to take pictures. And then just a little sweater. Onesies. Some more onesies. This is super cute. And then we have socks. This one is from the one that's like in the bag already. And then these are like the burping cloths. I undid them because the other one's in the diaper bag. And then we have these cute little and then stuff we didn't open yet. Some more socks. These are cute. Onesie. This, and it goes with these like legging things. They're so cute at the bottom. And then these. These are so cute. And this is cute. And then here's some more pacifiers. This is the same shirt as other one. Shirt. This is Mommy's Sunshine. More pacifiers. These go with this shirt. And then this, oh, I already put this. These go together. And then this little set, this is a little hat. Here comes the fun. This goes with something. Oh. With this thing. And then these cute little pants. It goes with something that's in there. And then a little onesie. And then this goes with this outfit. So that's what we have so far. We have a bunch of baby stuff already still from the last one. But yeah, if you guys think of anything that you're like, oh, you need to get this, or maybe your favorite outfit, whatever you think, comment below, and see you guys later. Thank you.
Audio Jungle.